The CBI has said that actor Shah Rukh Khan's family was threatened that his son Aryan would be framed in a narcotics case unless he paid 25 crore rupees. This was mentioned in the FIR filed by the CBI against Sameer Wankhede, former Zonal Director of Narcotics Control of Bureau or NCB. Wankhede, who hit headlines after the arrest of Aryan Khan and others in an alleged drug bust on a cruise ship off Mumbai in October 2021, is facing allegations of corruption and criminal misconduct. In its FIR, the CBI has flagged the officers' foreign trips and sale and purchase of expensive wristwatches. The FIR names 4 accused other than Wankhede. These include Vishwa Vijay Singh and Ashish Ranjan, then senior officers with the NCB, and KP Gosavi and his aide Sanvil D'Souza. Former AAP leader Satyendra Jain, who is currently lodged in Tihar jail in connection with a money laundering case, wrote to the superintendent of Tihar Jail No. 7 on May 11th. In the letter, the jailed AAP leader said that he was feeling lonely and depressed and requested to lodge 2 more people with him for social interaction based on his doctor's suggestion. On his request, the superintendent of Jail No. 7 transferred 2 prisoners to his cell. However, when the Tihar Jail administration came to know about it, both the prisoners were immediately shifted back to their cell. A show cause notice has been issued to the superintendent of Tihar Jail No. 7 for shifting without permission 2 inmates to the cell of former Delhi minister. According to the jail administration, the superintendent took this decision without informing the officials concerned. After Congress's sweeping victory in Karnataka, now it's time for the party to pick a chief minister. Former CM Siddaramaiah is in the national capital today. Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee Chief D.K. Shivakumar said that he has not decided to go to Delhi, adding that he has done his job and now the party high command will take a call. Notably, it's his birthday today. Senior Congress party leaders Randeep Surjewala, K.C. Venugopal and 3 observers were appointed by the party to oversee the process of appointing a chief minister, and they will also land in Delhi today. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Sunday interacted with the Indian diaspora in Sweden and discussed transformations underway in India. He also apprised them about the progress in the bilateral relationship with Sweden on the 75 years of diplomatic ties between the 2 nations. Diplomatic relations between Sweden and India were established in 1948, a year after India became independent. During the 2018 visit of PM Modi to Sweden, the 2 sides adopted a wide-ranging joint action plan and signed a joint innovation partnership. Jaishankar is on a 3-day visit to Sweden to participate in the EU Indo-Pacific Ministerial. He is also expected to attend the inaugural session of the India Trilateral Forum involving India, Europe and the US with his Swedish counterpart.